Alright guys, today me and my brother are taking a sketchy ride through town in the middle of a snowstorm, as you guys can see, to pick up our buddy. Is it smart? No. Is it fun? 100% yes. Now you may see me layering it up on 2 pairs of gloves. That's because these things fucking shut. They shut. Ah, damn it. Come on. You know what? This hand's fine. We're gonna cook up. We're gonna cook up, y'all. Woo! It's a fun day out here. We got quite a bit of snow so far, and it's still dumping. Whoa. Whoa. And we have gotten a lot of snow so far, as you guys can see. Oh yeah, drift mode activated. Woo! We're good on cars. We're good to go. Let's boogie, y'all! Woo! Hey, we can get the track. Hey, he almost ate shit. You know, I love riding in this snow, but sometimes I hate it. It's fun for a little bit, but then yeah. Then your body starts getting weak, and then it ain't no more fun. But you know what? When your body gets weak, you say, we ain't no bitch, we born. My fault. Oops. Oopsie daisy. I'm sorry if the camera quality is extra poor this video. I can't control the snow, man. Got some traction right there. Got some speed. Need to slow down. Alright. Now some of you may be wondering, how are we gonna be picking up one extra person if we're on 2 bikes and he's got 1 seat with no rack and my back rack is taken up with a basket? You guys may be asking yourselves that. Well, you're just gonna have to wait and see, you fuckers. You impatient. Ah! These snow drifts kind of suck. And I should have I definitely should have wore some type of face mask underneath here. Oh. Ready to see how fun this is, boy? He's just plowing the track for me. I'm quite literally just, oh. What the fuck? must have been some black ice spots. Why? Why? What? What? Alright. 212's not very happy right now. But stay up right now, you dirty bitch. Well, I turned choke out because he's still running. You hear that popping, boy? Now we don't mind none of this moving. That's just it idling. We don't mind that. That's nothing to be concerned of. We can test it. Voila. She's running mint. He's running mint. Let's just be a little nice to her. Or not. She loves that. These would be some fun whoops if it was frozen. But it ain't frozen. Now, I did record a video for you guys on Christmas Eve, but the mic set that I bought, it didn't work. That video didn't have no audio, so I couldn't use it. But in that video, I was out at my great-grandpa's farm, ripping around with my dad, my brother Daniel here, and my older brother Kyler came up for Christmas. My dad had his Honda 400 EX, 2000 model. Bug-eye. Pretty nice. Y'all probably, that's what's sitting under the black tarp in the backyard. But, go, bitch! Get some traction, get some traction. There you go. There you go, sweet baby. But, yeah. I'm thinking about getting a Honda 125 or a Honda 250. What do y'all think? I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm definitely going with Honda. My older brother, he wants me to get in a little old 82 stroke, but I don't know. So I guess I got 3 bikes that I'm trying to pick from that I'm gonna get. Either a little old 82 stroke, a Honda 125, or a Honda 250. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see what I can do. But for this thing, we're still getting the 212 for it, or not 212, 420. Got 212 on it. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. So I plow these roads, but they don't plow ours. You know, my face is covered in ice right now, but it's not cold. Pain's just in the mind, baby. We whipping this out. We're nice. Woo! You good, bud? Visibility ain't that far. In case y'all can't see. I'm not sure what he's doing. I'm gonna... just pop right over here. I got mad at their sunglasses. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but... uh-oh. He's running mint now. Fucking mint. All 212s never die, man. I swear on these things, bro. They never die. They never die. Y'all even saw that one short of that 212 that had sand in the head. That was a lot of sand. We did not clean that bitch out. Not in the slightest. We just drained the oil, scraped the sand out with our hands, slapped it back together, put new oil in it. She ran like a charm. She ran like a charm. She just ate it. We did not re-hone the cylinder. We did not take the whole thing apart and make sure every little speck of sand was gone. We didn't do none of that. I gotta go safety switch, but I got no goggles. Okay. Why did you throw them? Oh, it's not gonna answer me. Okay. Yeah. I suppose the roads aren't too bad. Not too bad out.
I threw them because they were making my face ungodly cold.
Oh. So he did hear me. Okay. The go-kart build that I told you guys about a while ago. I'm still working on getting a welder and a new grinder to start that. But don't worry, I still have it. I'm still planning on doing it. That ain't going nowhere. I guess I ain't going nowhere either. Cool. Let's get on this side. Get distracted. That's my photo! I'm glad I did not hit that spot. I would have fucking launched right there, man. Holy. Ugh. Now, some of y'all might, I'm not sure if my buddy Memphis has made an appearance on the channel yet or not, but I'll go see him today. We call this man Monkey Man. He a monkey. He can climb anything. Good. Yeah, she's loving that. If I could get some traction, that'd be lovely. That would be lovely. Ah! Now, some of y'all may be yelling at me for swerving all over the road, but I don't give a flying fuck, because we're the only ones on the road. So, oh, I scared myself a little bit there. Good God. My fault. I guess I was a little mad. Then again, I didn't know he was right behind me. Huh. My chain just made a weird noise. I don't know if y'all heard that. We're almost there, guys. Yeah, surprising or not, my face ain't cold. Ooh, 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 that's ice. I did not realize that was nothing but ice, but okay. Nice drift right there. Oh. Why aren't you wanting to take throttle? Wait. You know, that could be it. I think that was it.
I told you.
Yeah, I kind of forgot about that. I kind of forgot about my air filter getting full of snow and this thing not wanting to take throttle. Looks like you almost ate it there, buddy. Underneath the snow, it's just pure ice. Just so you guys know. Especially in this trailer court. Like, I ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. And full down. I see Daniel's already up there. Get some traction right here. Oh. I hate this shit. Alright, so we're here.
He's still sleeping. Of course he is. That's why he didn't answer my fucking phone call.
That was you about a half an hour ago?
Yeah.
I heard his phone fucking vibrating.
Yeah,
Go wake him up.
I called him trying to.
Oh, you GoPro and your whole shit?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Where?
Let's go wake up the monkey.
Hello, monkey. You ready to come out and play? Alright, we're gonna pause it right here. We'll catch you guys when we're on the ride home. Alright, we're back, guys. Just like I told you where you would be. Hello. So, like I told you guys at the beginning, you might be wondering, how are we gonna get this monkey over to our place with 2 bikes when I got that and he's only got 1 sheet? Well, you're about to see. Let me just get this thing started up. Is that going? That's going. I'm not There he is, he's right there, he's coming. So, y'all may be wondering, how the fuck are we gonna do this? That's how. Snowing quite a bit here in Fargo. I fucking hate this place. Some of y'all may be realizing at this point in the video or sooner that I changed the YouTube name to Full Throttle Failure, and that's because on my four-wheeler that started on fire. I got done doing some work to it and then went to go ride it, and then it started going full throttle, and then it started on fire. And then my smaller mini bike that you guys have seen with the stretch shop, I was riding around one day last year and going full throttle, and then all of a sudden it's like the thing has NOS and then it just launches, and then I blow a valve through the piston, straight through the head of the piston. Straight hole, motor's cooked. So, I was thinking I'm going to be moving out of Fargo after I graduate here. So Fargo's Rascals wouldn't really be a fit. So I opted to do Full Throttle Failure. I think it's pretty nice. That's kind of aligned with a couple of my projects. We'll probably align with a couple more down the road. Maybe even this motor, who knows? 'Cause I like to hit full throttle a lot for a while. Oh shit! Cool. Spin her back around, full throttle. Whoa. Like I said, a lot of things fail at full throttle, but I love going full throttle. It's fun. It's kind of shitty outside, huh, bud? Ooh. So my old mini bike, I was gonna sell it to one of my buddies, but he opted out to not buying it due to finding something else that suits him a little bit better. He is kind of a tall, lengthy fuck, so I mean that is a small frame, so I mean I can't blame him, but after he said he's not gonna buy it, I decided I'm gonna turn it into a little three-wheeler. See what we can do with that. If you guys enjoy this content, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Make sure to drop a comment on what you think. That also helps out a little bit. Yeah. Hopping into the new year, I'm hoping to reach at least 1,000 subs within this new year. Hopefully, that's what I'm going for. So if you guys could help me out a little bit, spread the word. I know I haven't really gotten much out, but I promise you guys here soon I will be buying a welder and a new grinder. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be working on it here this winter, because as you guys seen in my yard, I don't have a shop or a garage. I got a little fucking shed. But hopefully on the warmer days I might do some work to it. I don't know yet. We'll see what comes. Because I don't know. I think if I really grind, I could have at least the whole frame chopped apart and stretched, and at least started on building the frame up to build it into a go-kart. Now, there may be a little bit more work than I'm anticipating on going into this, but we'll figure it out as we go. I mean, we got everything we need right there on that four-wheeler. All we need to do is chop the frame, stretch it, make it a little bit longer, because it is a pretty small four-wheeler. And see what else we do. That was pretty cool. Fucking spin around into a donut and then go into a fucking wheelie. Now, I didn't have enough traction to continue that wheelie. It just fucking popped her up, but it was still cool. Still a cool shite. Full throttle, baby! Ah! Full throttle, baby! Oh yeah. We ain't no bitches on this channel. Oh. Went down, went down, went down. That there was the oil sensor there, boy. Like I said, we ain't no bitches on this channel. We get back up, we keep going. $212 ain't liking it so much. But you know what? All we gotta do, just go easy for a little bit. What? They biffed it back there. I'm not sure what happened, but this baby ain't loving life. The 212 ain't liking me right now. She's not liking me. Maybe now she is. Maybe not. Come on, old Betsy. You can eat it. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Stop being a baby. Take it like a man. Take it like a man. The air filter ain't full of snow. She kind of cracked up though. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but she's a little cracked up. She... Ah, take it like a man, take it like a man. It didn't take it like a man. No, it's got like a full tank. I checked it before we left. Okay. We're gonna treat her easy. Maybe she'll treat me easy. Or maybe... Come on, stay best friends with me, 212. Okay. We're moving. We're moving. The 212's kinda happy. Kinda happy. See, with this 212 acting like this, I don't know if I want to drift to the sidewalk over here, but I'll still try. I'll try for you guys. I guess the 212 heard that and it said, fuck you. But I'm saying not today, 212. Maybe. Let's give her some choke. Turn choke on. Give her some chew choke. Hey, she had some time to recover on some choke. She sounds a little bit more happy. She sounds a lot more happy. Who knew? That's all you needed to do is fucking choke a motor to make it happy. I mean, it works for some women, but oh shit, fuck. Ah! We don't mind that. Might get demonetized. Ah! We're gonna try. This 212 sounds happy. It sounds really happy. So, say that, fuck! The sidewalk ain't agreeing with me, guys. Come on, you fucking slut. Fucking bitch. If it don't work, beat it. Just beat it. Just like Michael Jackson said. Just beat it. Ooh. It's rough out in these parts, boys. It's rough. It's rough out in these parts, boy. I can hardly even see our tracks from earlier. I can't tell if that's just because of the snow in my goggles or I just really can't see our tracks from earlier. God damn it! I'm hating this sidewalk, man. Some of you guys may be saying I should stud my tires, but we're saying fuck that shit. We're men! We don't stud shit! Okay, 212 ain't happy. But we're gonna make her home. We're gonna do what I did last time. Choke. You know, someone can make a nice beat out of that. I know what I'm doing! Shut the fuck up! Yeah. Somehow it's warmer out than it was earlier. Hey, she's happy! It worked again! Choking the motor worked again, guys! So I think, we're back up here. Alright, boy. I really can't see shit right now. Oh! Following his track don't really work no more. Sliding all over the place. Ugh. You know, I might be wanting this motor to blow up right now, but I don't know what I'm trying to do. I don't want it to blow up because I don't necessarily have another motor for it, but I mean, I do, but I don't. I do, but I don't. I got a North Star 420 fuel injection motor at home, but that motor's for my four-wheeler, and one, it doesn't have a carburetor, so it doesn't have a normal throttle hookup like the 212 does. So I gotta figure out a way to hook up the throttle to the original throttle body that's on it. But that's a little stiff, so I gotta throw springs on it and shit. Just come on now. Come on now. She's moving it slow at idle, but we're gonna give her some more choke. She ain't happy! See if that made a difference. She almost died out when I gave her gas on choke. I'm not sure. Okay. Alright. She's really not happy. Huh. Little backfire, little backfire, little backfire. Ah, start you, bitch. There you go. There you go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Stay running for Pepe. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. No. Take. No. Dude, do I gotta fucking hook up my lock and tell you the rest of the way home? No. Kinda sounds like I have to. That fucking thing doesn't want to stay running. So let her sit, let her get nice and happy. You know, we're cold, right? We like to get out of this shit. I'm not forcing you to stay here. Have Mom flip the fuck out when I walk in without you. Because you know exactly that's what would happen. So let's go. Yeah, she'll let me. That was a loud one. Alright, I'm done with this shit. You're gonna fucking go this time. Just calm down, bud. We'll walk her a bit. And you know, she's walking herself. What do you know? What do you know? She's walking herself. So you'll go with no load, but once I hop on, you'll say, fuck me. Okay. I see how it is. You know, things kind of pissing me off right now. She's going, boys. She's going. Let's keep her happy. No. I found the Strat, boys. The 212's not happy. Can't really see for shit down that road. Especially the cars without their lights on. Oh, God, women! A row. Gotta get my feet on the peg without eating shit. Went her around good, huh? Alright, we made it back. Nice and safe.
I was gonna fucking flip your switch, but I forgot it's on the fucking motor.
Yeah, I ain't got a switch up here, boy. You gotta reach down, boy.
I
What?
think your issue is snow inside your air filter sucked into your carburetor and you got a little bit of water.
Maybe, but we're gonna end the video here, guys. Hope y'all have a good day.